Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a teacher layout spread in my new-ish work planner. I've kind of switched up my layout a little bit. I'm going to use Quirky Spring. This is just a really cute sticker design that's one of my new releases. I do have a sticker kit for this collection, but I did not print it because I kind of want to use up some stickers that, like you can see, I only used one sticker off of this sheet from Bright Birthday. So I've got the red and yellow Quirky Spring colorful boxes, and then of course Bright Birthday. So let me kind of just show you what I've done here for my work planner. So previously I was using the Happy Planner's monthly layout, which is just like the checklist layout. But I've showed you multiple times, and you can see that like this was a 100 sheet block pad, and so this mainly is my list thing. So you can see like I've got little notes here, and so this just sits on the side of my desk, and I just constantly make lists. It's like a brain dump type thing. So my planner, because I've got so many things going on right now with Pleasantly Planned, I want to like categorize my to-dos instead of just a long list. Sometimes I get overwhelmed with like the long brain dump type list. So I just grabbed an old teacher planner. This cover came off of, like I said, an old teacher planner. It's just on regular plastic discs. And then I repurposed some, what do you call these? Like dividers, I'm sorry. And you can see like this was out of an old Miss Maker planner, and then this is like a social media planner type thing that I had bought off of Etsy, I don't know, a couple years ago, and I used it once and forgot I had it, and I found it in my files. So anyways, I have repurposed tabs, like I said, from the monthlies. So I have Social Media Daily, YouTube, Instagram, Checklists, HP Ambassador, because I do have their Simply layout they sent me, and they do have certain rules and things that I have to apply. And then I have one for my new rep team. So if you didn't know, I went ahead and put out the call for my first ever rep team, and I've gotten lots of applications. If you're interested, head over to my website and go ahead, and there's a link up at the top that says rep team, I believe, and apply to be on my rep team if you have at least an Instagram account. Sorry. And so then we get into, this is the actual monthly layout, okay? So I just kept like these front guts. I never use these pages. I need to. I really need to, especially for like pre-planning. So, and you can see this planner started in, or it starts in July, but I've repurposed it, and I was using it March. You can see I barely used it. I did use the April monthly, and I am using the May monthly. But what I did was I kept the monthly section, and then I kept like this monthly dashboard out of the planner. But then on my daily tasks, this is one that I had purchased. I found it in my files off of Etsy. So I just put the long checklist, and then I glued together a teacher layout that I had purchased on Etsy. Now this teacher layout was editable. And so I had originally, when I printed these out, went ahead and put in my own categories, because the teacher layout is normally Monday through Fridays here, and then you have like 7, I guess you would call them blocks or periods for a teacher to plan. But the way I and most people use it is you do Monday through Sunday up top, and then you have 5 categories. But for this week, I don't want to use these categories, so I went ahead and whited those out. So now we have a little explanation of how I've got my planner set up, and then I think the rest of this is just, yeah, I didn't even finish like the whole planner putting the teacher layout in, because this is going to be like a trial run. So let's go ahead and pull these pages out, and you guys can kind of work with me and figure out how I want to decorate this. I really don't want to decorate it a whole lot, honestly, because I do need lots and lots of room to write, which is the main reason I went to a big planner to begin with. So, okay, we need to date this. So I'm going to grab JoJo's book. This is Date It. I did, JoJo, I said this before, gave us some great coupons at Go Wild, or a great coupon at Go Wild. And so I utilized the coupon that she gave us, and I ordered quite a few of her books. And so far I'm loving them. All right, let me grab my tweezers, And so Monday is the 8th, because I'm actually filming this on Sunday. So Monday is the 8th. And if you did not catch my video, the dashboard plan with me, that is actually up now when I'm filming this. I mentioned lots of exciting things happening at Pleasantly Planned. So, yeah, if you didn't catch that video, head over when you're finished with this one and watch that plan with me where it's like super chitty chatty. I think that 9 is crooked, but super chitty chatty where I just kind of give a lot of fun updates. The biggest ones are, my rep team. That I did put out the call for a rep team. That is so crooked, but I'm going to leave it because I ripped my page. And then, sorry, that I have, May is my birthday month. So my birthday is May 25th, and I will be 43 this year. So I did this last year, but I extended the sale for this year. For the remainder of May, you can use the code Happy Birthday on my site and save 43% off your total order. There's no minimum order required. And free shipping does still apply if you meet the threshold for free shipping. So yeah. And there was a lot of other things, like it was super chitty chatty. So if you guys missed that, head over there and watch that. Now, Sunday, I think, is Mother's Day. Okay. All right, so that's it for my dates. And then I'm going to go ahead and put boxes down here so that I can label my categories. And I did kind of list out what I want my categories to be for this week. And I really shouldn't have, like, pre-typed up, but I was playing. You know how that is. You just start playing, and that's just what I came up with. But I should not have done that because they are probably going to be changing week to week. So let's see. I want to maybe just center these big boxes in here. It's crooked. Ah! Okay, so we'll just go down the list. I mean, the way I've got them organized, the colors organized for now. And we'll just go red, yellow, and that minty color. Well, not mint, like Tiffany blue color. Hopefully I can line these up fairly decent. I don't know if I can or not, but it is what it is. It might be easier if I line it up this way. Yeah, they're not exactly straight, but if you know me, you know that that's just something I cannot do is line things up straight. And I can't cut straight either. So do I want to continue going red and yellow, or do I want to go yellow-red? I think I want to go yellow-red. Let's try that. Let's be different. Yellow and red. And so I used to use the teacher layout a lot. And then I kind of got away from it. And so I kind of want to just give it another try, especially since the new teacher planners will be coming out soon from the Happy Planner. So I thought it would be fun to just give it a shot and see if I can make it work. Okay, now what do I want to do here? I don't really, like I said, I don't want to put a whole lot of decoration anywhere in this spread. So I really want to be able to utilize being able to write like a lot in this spread. So Saturday, Sunday, let's see, what were my categories? Okay, so I think I'm going to put this little oil. This is the big sticker sheet, and I'm going to put the fence down here in this bottom corner. And then I was thinking about maybe taking like a small birdie and letting him kind of just sit on the fence. Him or her, I don't know, whatever it is. So we'll just kind of like prop him maybe here. All right, so that's a cute start. Let me go ahead and cut this excess off so my page isn't sticking to my desk the whole time. Okay. All right, now, okay, so like I said, I don't want to put too many decorations in here. So I think what we'll do is just decorate these boxes. So we'll put that one. I think we'll just kind of rotate the florals here. And then maybe we'll put the little flower pot. I don't know, I kind of wish it was smaller. What do I want to do? I'm stuck. I think we'll just take this little birdhouse and stick in here. And I know it's the same color, but it's okay. I should have put it there, but that's all right. Okay, so now, like I said, I want to keep, I want to be able to plan or write my plans in the majority of this layout. So I don't really want to decorate anything in here. So this is going to be a pretty simple plan with me video. I kind of want to take, let's see, we could take this watering can and put down here by the fence, because that's just my Saturday and Sunday. And I don't normally, I mean, I do work. I always say this, I work, but hopefully that'll change once I get my new building and I'll actually take weekends off. But yeah, that's like, if you missed that video where I was chitty chatty about things that are coming, go watch that, because you'll know what I'm talking about. Now I want to put this little bird somewhere. So I have a bird on this page, and I know he's red too, but we're just going to stick him up there just because. And then maybe I'll take this little, it's like a little planter, and put it right on top of that red box, right beside the little bird. Okay, so honestly, that's probably going to be about it. I want to use this. Like, I feel bad for not using this little fence. I'm just going to stick it over here, just because. Why not? Okay. And then I think I'm going to try to find maybe some washi tape or something, just to put a little bit of color in the rest of this spread. Or maybe like some dot markers or something. I don't know. So let me see what I can find. Okay, so I found some washi that matches. And I also grabbed motivational quotes too. And I think I'm going to use, if it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. Or you must do the things you think you cannot do. I think those are two good quotes for a work planner. And honestly, I think I'm going to put it right down here, just like with this whole cluster. I'm going to use, if it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. And we're just going to put it right down there with the cluster. And I actually put it over top of the little bird's head, but it's okay. All right, so that's done. Now, what I think I'm going to do is just put this washi down at the bottom, just to bring a little bit more color into the page, because like I said, I don't want to decorate and put a bunch of boxes and decorations in the daily part, because I need to get a lot of stuff done. I need to write a lot of stuff in this planner. My personal planner, which is my catch-all, doesn't really have a whole lot of stuff in it. But this work planner, of course, is going to be like the majority of my day. My plans are going to be in it. So definitely want to save all the room that I can in my daily sections. All right, so now I grabbed a scalloped washi, and so I was thinking maybe it would be cute to do the colors, to match the colors with the boxes, to like just continue the color all the way across the pages. So let's just see what it looks like. These are Happy Planner washies, I'm almost positive, because Happy Planner used to do a lot of the scalloped washies. And I always have a time trying to get these thin washi straight. So bear with me here. And then because the teacher layout is curved, I'm just going to try my best to curve my washi. Okay, so let's go ahead and just do the other red here. It's kind of cute already. Yeah, this is going to be a tedious part of the video. I may fast forward through it. We'll see. If you're looking at this big scratch on my hand, this is, so my dogs, I do my own nail trims and I groom my dog and all that fun stuff because that's just, I used to do that for a living. If you're not aware, I was a vet tech practice manager for 12 years, basically the majority of my adulthood up to this point. And I was a vet tech and, like I said, practice manager for one veterinary hospital. And then I did some grooming and things like that on the side. So anyways, my dogs, Moo and Oliver, they're of course older, and they're used to it. So they let me trim their nails, no problem. Mr. Hank, who is my grand puppy, he's 5 months old and he's only had like 3 nail trims in his life, and it's always a struggle. So he got me. Yeah, so we're learning. He's learning, but he doesn't like his feet messed with. So Grandma has to deal with the repercussions of Hank's sharp toenails as we're trying to get them cut. So anyways, all right, so let's go with this color. Now this scallop is different, but I think that's kind of cute that it's a little bit different. So they're not going to be all exactly the same size and pattern of scallop. Uh-oh, I ripped that. It's okay. So let's see, cut these curves. And then we'll go right over here to this one. This is the middle one. I think this is going to be cute, y'all. That was like a last minute thought, but I'm glad I thought it. I'm glad I thunk it. Okay. Yes, this is going to be really cute. Okay, now let's get the yellow. And the yellow is a much tighter scallop. So again, all three scallops are going to be different. All right, y'all, that's really cute. Let me know what you think. I think it looks adorable. So what I'll do is I'll go in. I do actually, let me see. I have custom headers. Let me find my headers. I might just go ahead and put headers in here if I can find the ones I need. Okay, I didn't find any, so I'm going to actually, when I finish this video, I'm going to make some. So I think I'll make them and use them here, but I think I'll also put them in my shop. So maybe that's something new that I'll start. I want to do them a little differently than my other headers. So y'all be on the lookout for those. So I would say that's it for this plan with me. Let's put it back in my planner. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you have ever used a teacher layout to kind of categorize different aspects of your life and the things that you need to do in them. Don't forget to head over to my website, save 43% off your total order. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram. And so that is it for this video. I will see you guys on my next one. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye, guys.